Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your thumbnail or remove a background of the photo. Welcome to Scott TG. My name is Scott, and I'm going to show you how you can remove the photo background just automatically with the Photoshop. You don't need to know about Photoshop a lot. You just need to open it, and then you select File, you open, and then you check the folder which you want to open. For instance, I have a photo here. Let me show you a very disorganized photo. Maybe we can use it for this tutorial. As well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscription button down there. You'll be able to support me. Now when you go back to this photo, what you see, there's a lot of background. I would just want to remove all this in just one tap. Now what you need to do it on your, is it the right hand side? On your right hand side, that's where we have the navigation panel and some few things there. Now when you look at this layer, there is a padlock. All you need to do is to press that padlock such that it is unlocked, and then you go back, you select properties. There's layers, libraries, and then there is properties. All you need to do is again to scroll down, and you see quick actions, you see remove background. Well, if at all you're not seeing this part there, all you need to do is to go back and select your Windows option on the menu app, and then you look for what we call properties. You tick it and the stuff will appear. Then all you need to do is to select remove background. So the photo, that is Adobe Photoshop IntelliSense background, by using some few instructions which we are embedded into this thing. Now you can see that the photo, the background has been removed, and the photo, you can now move this photo and you use it for your own thumbnails. With that, I remain Scott TG. We'll meet in another video. If I've left out something, don't forget to leave it in the comment box. Well, I'll be glad and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. We'll meet in another video. God bless you.